The world is changing rapidly. In this fast-paced digital age, people are constantly seeking guidance and support to navigate through their personal and professional lives. They want to improve their lives in meaningful ways, whether it's through personal development, career advancement, or achieving a better work-life balance. This is where you come in. Online coaching is booming like never before. It's an industry that's growing exponentially, driven by the increasing demand for accessible and personalized guidance. It's a powerful way to help people. Through online coaching, you can offer tailored advice and support to individuals who are eager to learn and grow. You can reach a global audience. The internet has broken down geographical barriers, allowing you to connect with clients from all corners of the world. You can work from anywhere. Whether you're at home, in a cafe, or traveling the world, online coaching gives you the flexibility to work from any location with an internet connection. This is your chance to make a difference. By sharing your knowledge and expertise, you can have a profound impact on the lives of your clients, helping them overcome challenges and achieve their goals. You have valuable skills and knowledge. Whether you're an expert in fitness, business, mental health, or any other field, your insights can be incredibly valuable to those seeking guidance. Share your expertise with the world. Through webinars, online courses, and one-on-one coaching sessions, you can disseminate your knowledge to a wide and engaged audience. Help people achieve their dreams. The possibilities are endless. With the right approach and dedication, you can build a thriving online coaching business that not only supports your clients, but also fulfills your own professional aspirations. Create engaging content for social media platforms. By sharing tips, success stories, and motivational messages, you can attract a larger audience and establish yourself as a thought leader in your niche. Receive positive feedback from clients. There's nothing more rewarding than hearing how your guidance has helped someone make a significant change in their life. Participate in virtual conferences and networking events. These platforms provide opportunities to connect with other professionals, learn new strategies, and expand your reach. Continuously develop new coaching programs and materials. Stay ahead of the curve by updating your offerings to meet the evolving needs of your clients. Celebrate milestones and achievements with your clients. Acknowledge their progress and celebrate their successes, fostering a positive and motivating coaching environment. Balance your work and personal life. Online coaching offers the flexibility to create a schedule that works for you, allowing you to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Invest in your professional development. Continuously seek out new learning opportunities to enhance your skills and stay current in your field. Build a supportive community. Create a network of like-minded individuals who can offer support, share experiences, and provide valuable insights. Use technology to enhance your coaching sessions. Leverage tools like video conferencing, digital whiteboards, and online collaboration platforms to create an interactive and engaging coaching experience. Reflect on the impact of your work. Take time to appreciate the positive changes you've helped bring about in your clients' lives and use this as motivation to continue your journey. Plan for the future. Set clear goals and develop strategies to grow your coaching business, ensuring long-term success and sustainability. Enjoy moments of relaxation. Remember to take breaks and recharge so you can continue to provide the best possible support to your clients. Express gratitude to your clients and supporters. Acknowledge the trust and support you've received, and let them know how much you appreciate their commitment to their own growth and to your coaching journey. Look confidently into the future. Embrace the opportunities that online coaching presents and continue to make a positive impact on the world, one client at a time. What are you passionate about? What are your strengths? These are the foundational questions you need to ask yourself when choosing your coaching niche. Passion and strengths are the driving forces that will keep you motivated and effective in your coaching journey. Reflect deeply on what truly excites you and where your natural abilities lie. This self-awareness is crucial in identifying a niche that aligns with your core values and skills. Your niche is the specific area you focus on. It could be health, wealth, relationships, or anything. Think about the areas where you have the most knowledge and experience. For instance, if you have a background in finance, a wealth coaching niche might be a perfect fit. If you have a passion for fitness and well-being, health coaching could be your calling. The possibilities are endless, but the key is to choose a niche that resonates with you on a personal level. Choose a niche that excites you. This will make your work enjoyable and fulfilling. When you are passionate about your niche, it shows in your work and your clients will feel that energy. This enthusiasm not only makes your coaching sessions more engaging but also helps you stay committed and driven, even when challenges arise. Remember, your excitement is contagious and can inspire your clients to achieve their goals. Don't be afraid to specialize. A focused niche helps you stand out. In a crowded market, specialization is your best friend. It allows you to become an expert in a specific area, making it easier for potential clients to find you. When you specialize, you can tailor your services to meet the unique needs of your target audience, providing them with more value and better results. This focus not only differentiates you from generalist coaches, but also builds your credibility and authority in your chosen field. It attracts the right clients to you. When you have a clear and defined niche, you naturally attract clients who are looking for exactly what you offer. These clients are more likely to be committed and motivated as they have specifically sought out your expertise. This alignment between your niche and your client's needs creates a more productive and satisfying coaching relationship. Additionally, having a well-defined niche makes your marketing efforts more effective, as you can target your messaging to the right audience. Remember, you can't be everything to everyone. Trying to appeal to everyone dilutes your message and makes it harder for you to stand out. By focusing on a specific niche, you can hone your skills, develop specialized knowledge, and create a unique brand that resonates with your target audience. This focus not only enhances your effectiveness as a coach, but also makes your business more sustainable and successful in the long run. So take the time to identify your niche, embrace it, and let it guide your coaching journey. Technology makes online coaching easy. Use video conferencing for coaching calls. Platforms like Zoom or Skype are great. Create a professional website. Showcase your services and testimonials. Email marketing is key. Stay connected with potential clients. Share valuable content and updates. Use social media to your advantage. Engage with your audience and build a community. Marketing doesn't have to be scary. In fact, it can be an exciting and rewarding part of growing your coaching business. The key is to approach it with a strategy and a positive mindset. Let's dive into some powerful marketing techniques that can help you attract more clients and build a thriving coaching practice. Start by networking online and offline. Attend industry events and join appropriate groups. Networking is all about building relationships and making connections. When you attend industry events, you have the opportunity to meet potential clients, collaborators, and even mentors who can help you grow your business. Online networking is equally important. Join relevant groups on social media platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook. Participate in discussions, share valuable insights, and connect with other professionals in your field. The more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities you'll create for your coaching business. Content marketing is powerful. Share your expertise through blog posts, videos, or podcasts. Offer free webinars or workshops. By consistently creating and sharing valuable content, you position yourself as an authority in your niche. Blog posts are a great way to share in-depth knowledge and insights. Videos allow you to connect with your audience on a more personal level, and podcasts are perfect for reaching people who prefer to consume content on the go. Free webinars and workshops are excellent tools for showcasing your skills and providing potential clients with a taste of what you have to offer. They also give you the chance to interact with your audience in real time and answer their questions. This is a great way to showcase your skills. When you conduct a workshop or webinar, you're not just sharing information, you're demonstrating your expertise and building trust with your audience. People are more likely to hire a coach they feel they know and trust. Plus, these events can generate leads and help you grow your email list, which is a valuable asset for any business. Paid advertising can also be effective. Target your ideal clients on social media or search engines. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads allow you to create highly targeted campaigns that reach the right people at the right time. You can set your budget, choose your audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors, and track the performance of your ads in real time. This level of precision ensures that your marketing efforts are both efficient and effective. Remember, the goal of paid advertising is not just to get clicks, but to convert those clicks into clients. So make sure your ads are compelling and your landing pages are optimized for conversions. With the right approach, paid advertising can be a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal. Give away valuable content for free. This builds trust and establishes you as an expert. Create helpful blog posts, videos, or downloadable guides. Share your knowledge and insights freely. Free content attracts potential clients. It allows them to experience your coaching style. This can lead to paid coaching packages down the line. Remember, give to receive. Online coaching is about connection. Build strong relationships with your clients. Listen attentively to their needs and goals, provide personalized support and guidance, be present and engaged during coaching calls, create a safe and supportive environment, celebrate their wins and help them overcome challenges. Remember, it's all about building trust. Success stories are incredibly powerful. Ask satisfied clients for testimonials and share their positive experiences on your website and social media. Case studies showcase your impact in detail. Choose compelling client stories and highlight the transformations they achieved. Potential clients need to see results. This builds confidence in your coaching abilities. Value your worth. Don't undervalue your coaching services. Research industry standards and competitor pricing. Consider your experience, expertise, and target market. Offer different pricing tiers. This allows clients to choose what suits their budget. You can offer single sessions, packages, or monthly subscriptions. Find the pricing model that works best for you. Avoid these common mistakes. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Focus on your niche. Don't neglect marketing. Promote your services consistently. Don't undervalue your worth. Charge what you deserve. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Connect with other coaches and mentors. Learn from their experiences and grow your business. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Starting an online coaching business is exciting. It's a journey of growth and learning. Embrace the challenges and celebrate your successes. Stay passionate about helping others. Believe in yourself and your abilities. You have the power to make a real difference in the world. Now go out there and shine. Your coaching journey awaits.
Are you ready to discover how to take this information and apply it to start getting results fast? Tap the link below or go to mastermindwebinars.com. Come and create your free account to get hours of valuable training on website optimization, list building, email marketing, AI, automations, mindset, and so much more. Click below and unlock this wealth of free training today.